Welcome to Dubai.
Good to be back. Lamig na.
Lamig na nga eh. Alam mo na pag nasa Dubai ka, Carl, no? Kasi wala lang. Kahit yung phone mo, iwan mo dyan, hindi mo mawawala.
Wala pala makuha.
Kahit buksan nga natin to eh.
Pakita ko. Imbitin ko si Kitty.
Yung Bronco. Yun yung dream car niya eh, no? Kitty. Ayun, si Carlo is here to help us with Seoul DXB. It's a music event, very prestigious music event. It happens once a year, and yeah, we are lucky to be invited on our second year. Okay. Pogi.
Joel, ganyan naman. Paggawa ka naman.
Joel, kung nanonood ka,
Overland Kings din.
see you later. From this to this. Para hanapin natin yung bahay kubo natin. So once a year, this happens. So this is, sa ilalim nito, buhangin to. So they set up, nakala mo yung setup ang isang buwan. Dito talaga parang nagsiset up talaga sila. Ayun, yung banyo na yan, aircon pa yan ha. You see, kuya? Oh, look. Grabe naman to yung Defender. Totoong simento ba yan? Hindi nga. Hindi. Hindi. Pero mo, grabe no? They made it look real.
No, may tawag dyan eh, si Kitty Wood.
Ayan yung kaibigan natin si Hata Matar. Whoa! Siya na siya ang setup. What is this here? Oh, pizzeria. Looks cool too. Oh, okay rin tayo. Okay rin. Well done, Team Kuya. Sila na nag-setup nito. Grabe. We've trained them well, no? Normally kasi, di ba, nandito dapat si Carlo or si Kitty or kami. Ngayon, galing team. Kuya, well done, ha? Well done. Oh, Carlo's proud of you guys. Yun yung viral chocolate from Dubai na yung gumawa si Chef Noel. Kabayan rin. And, wait, that's interesting. Oh, tingnan mo. It's like a structure na 2 araw lang. So, ano sa? 3 feels like it's a good mix of food concepts. And check this out. And I want to show you another Pinoy concept. Dalawa tayo dito. Dalawang Pinoy concept nandito. Eto, tayo. By Dayo. So last year nandito rin sila. Grabe. Ang asde, guys. Come on. Oh, gawang Pinoy. Sino nagsabi na hindi tayo cool? Sino nagsabi na yung style natin ay hindi pang world class? Nakaka-proud ka, Jude. Astig, Jude. Astig talaga. Tumatay blabo ko. Alright, hello brother. Dinner muna tayo dito sa Bukater kasi miss daw ni Carlo yung isda eh. Actually, miss ko rin yung piniritong isda. So this is the gravy, right? This is the basmati rice. Fried fish with a masala paste, right? With a paste. And then this is a crispy shrimp.
Panalo talaga yung butter, no?
Oo. Lamig, no?
Up. Sorry. Na? Para to warm you up. So di ko siya may imagine na kinakain ng ano. Thank you. So may imagine na kinakain ng summer.
Nakakamiss. Actually, dito lang kung kain ng carrots, onions. Dito lang sa Dubai.
Talaga?
Kami siyang carrot na yun. It's the spot ba kayo?
Lapo. Lapo-lapo.
Para sa lapo-lapo. Sarap.
Sabi ko nito na ito.
Mga alam mo mga Pinoy, alam mo may suka na sila dito.
Ha?
Oo.
Like, bagay?
Bagay.
Huh?
Lagyan ng gravy.
When ako sa grade.
Ako rin. So, champion talaga yung shrimp, no?
What?
Parang this brightened up my day.
Wala muna tayong offset. Pero next week, babawi tayo. Pahinga kung pahinga. And then, hindi madumi. Ano pa ba concern ninyo? Saan kayo nalilatan? Pearl, endorsement.
Day 1 of Seoul DXB, year 2. A bit nervous. Yeah, a bit nervous. Lalang.
You got this, James.
Okay, kung sinabi ng kaibigan mo, you got this, edi siguro okay na tayo. Kasi yung mga kaibigan mo naman nagsasabi talaga ng totoo eh. Kaya magkaibigan kayo. yung mga acquaintances, hi, hello, syempre, sugarcoat. One time sinabihan nga ako ni Toby Martin eh, yung friend ko. Basta, sobrang diretso. Na hindi ako nasaktan actually. I actually appreciated what he said. And yeah, kaya surround yourself with good people.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Cup car, Pajero, Cargado.
Ganda, oh.
May bago sila yung LC300, cup car na ngayon.
Talaga?
Pili ka, Carl. G-Wagon, Range Rover Sport, or Jeep? Ako, eto.
If that's the case, parang ito.
Eto ka. May iniwan ka.
Ha? May iniwan.
Saan?
Hindi gumagana.
Funny ka pala. Niwala naman ako.
Ayun na lang, parang di na kailangan ng susi.
Ito di driver. Thanks, brother. Ito na ang dayo ngayon. Ayan na sila. Woo! Ganda! Hey! How are you? How's it going? Hello, kamusta? Yeah? Okay.
Chef, kamusta?
Ayos, oh. Yan ang fit check. Guwapo, boy.
Thank you,
Chef. Ang ganda na ito. Ang ganda.
Sige na,
Ayan, oh. Oh. Atin to. Tayo daw.
Tayo naman.
Tayo naman. Ang ganda. Ay, gusto ko yan.
Sila eh, di ba?
Gusto ko yan.
Tayo naman.
Wow. Nakaka-proud.
Proud. Made in Marikina.
Talaga?
From the Philippines. Made in Marikina. Made in Marikina, Philippines.
Ayaw ko na talaga bumili. Meron na ako nito.
Meron ka na yan.
Yung suot mo, wala pa ako.
This one.
Oo. Pa-reserve na, please.
Ito. Ito nga pa yung new collection. Ito.
Hindi pa tayo nakapasok na. Nakuha na yung pera natin. Ang ganda, oh. Tayo naman. Gusto ko yan. 19 ano to? Yung dyaryo na to.
70. Ito pa siya. Ito pa siya po.
Oy! Ayun siya, oh.
Idol.
Ayun siya, oh.
The man, the myth, the legend.
Yan.
Congrats. Nakabalik mo lang, no? Dito ka na.
Ayan si Dayo. Ayan. The man, the myth, the legend. Tama naman.
Yung legend.
Tama. Hindi, tayong lahat.
Tayo naman.
Hindi, tayo lahat.
Tayo lahat.
Hello. Uy, pwede ito magtrabaho sa tayo. Basta. Ano kinakain mo? Inasal? Hello. Hi. Hi, John. Tingnan mo yung inig ba? Hindi, parang salsa. Hindi na siya melting. Very good.
Okay na.
Grabe. Hindi po siya with the salsa.
Pag nakakaumay na dun yung salsa.
Grabe. Push mo to ha. I-brief ko kayo kung paano na-present. Malayo. Kailangan kainin agad, no? Eh, yung babae na yan kumakain ng cheese stick. Tingnan natin yung reaction nila. Hindi pa kumagat? Kumagat na? Hey! How are you guys? How's it going?
All good?
Good. How are you? How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. The sun is setting and everyone seems relaxed, having a good time, networking, and nandito na tayo ulit. Kasi kung si RJ pa, ano nga sinabi mo? Ano nga sinabi mo kanina?
Tayo naman. Tayo naman. Lagi nilang sila eh. Tayo naman.
Ayan. Tara. Ibigay ko kay Direk Basti yung ating camera. Ayan, oh, tingnan mo. Ito na. Tingnan mo. In demand, oh. Oh, tingnan mo. Tita mo. Can I take a picture daw? Oh. Tumatayo balahibo ko. Imagine, can I take a picture of you? Tama naman si RJ. Tayo na talaga. Oh, tingnan mo. Oh, diba? Oh, saan ka? Pinoy yan. 100% Pinoy. Hindi guys, sorry yan. Na-excite lang talaga ako. Proud lang ako sa mga kabayan na thriving here in Dubai or thriving outside our country. And isa na to. Kaya pag nahila ko na to si Jude, mag-usap-usap tayo. Pero syempre, si Jude hindi niya naman nagawa to kung wala yung tropa. Boys, magpakilala kayo.
Krisan po.
Ano ang papel mo dito?
Yung sa akin, chef, may collaboration din ako kay Tasado na incense holder.
Okay.
So it's handmade from cement. Actually, there's 3 elements of we use here: steel, stone, and the sun. So it represents UAE as well. so this is also a limited edition. We have 30 pieces of this art. Tasado process.
Galing ng meaning behind it.
Yes, sir. From the ashes of what was, peace will be embraced in the sands of time, steel and stone.
Wow. Literal nandun.
Yes, sir.
Steels, time and stone. And then yun, no, tingnan mo si Boss RJ, ang daming kilala. In demand, sir.
Kasi tayo naman. Kasi tayo naman.
Ano naman yung papel mo dito sa...
Ako yung pinaka sabit palagi. Pero kakadikit ko kay Jude, which is the Dayo, the man himself. Yung Dayo nag-come up ng collaboration with Tasado, which is Chris's brand. And then nanganak yung Tasado ng Tayo.
And ito, di ba?
Ito Dayo pa rin to.
Inspired to sa shirt mo.
Yung sizing lang. Yung sizing lang. Pero in general lahat to idea ni Jude, Dayo. Tapos yung Tayo, birth
brand siya ng Casado and Dayo, which is by their grace ni Chris and Jude, sinama nila kami dito sa Tayo. So, isa pa namin kaibigan, which is si Marvin, the Don Romantico. Nag-come up kami sa shoe line na Marvin, so yung shoe line namin na Tayo. So, Marikina made from the Philippines. This time for the motherland, Tayo naman.
Grabe guys, na napapansin ko mga ibang lahi, sinusuot to.
Actually, majority ng bumili ngayon. Si Marvin pa lang ata ang Pinoy na kumuha ng shoe. Lahat ng bumili from different nationality.
Galing.
And natuwa sila sa story na yun nga, a product from the Philippines na nire-represent natin sa global stage. Like Kuya himself.
Kaya kanina napabili na ako. Nadala na ako sa kwento and vibe eh. And of course the design is given na yan, gravy na yan. Pero yung what it stands for, what they stand for, parang yeah, I'm wearing a piece of the motherland here in Dubai. And pero sobrang cool and ang ganda ng fit. Okay.
Lahat yan sa idea ni Jude. So yun ang papel ko dito. Thank you, Chef.
You're welcome. Mamaya na natin kausapin si Jude kasi let's let him do his thing. Which is Jude is flowing right now. Ayan, tingnan mo, bagong tatay yan. Kaya siguro iba rin yung buwelo. Kasi si Jude nagsabi sa akin before na sabi niya, Chef, yung pakiramdam ng magiging tatay ay iba na. Sabi ko, paano Jude? Kasi nauna lang sila by a few months. Sabi ko, paano? Sabi niya, pag gumagawa ka na isang bagay, may meaning na daw. Kasi parang kailangan niya galingan kasi gusto niya ipasa yung mga nagawa niya. Kumbaga may mapuntahan na daw yung mga legacy niya. Ganun kalalim yung kaibigan natin. Ayan. So yun, tingnan mo yung mata niya. Pride. Tingnan mo, he's so proud. And yung inner happiness, inner joy, unang araw pa lang yan. Bukas siguro ngarag na yan yung vibe, no? Di ba? Pero, di ba, hindi na natin siya kausapin. Ka-capture na lang natin yung moment na yung vibe niya. Guys, sorry, I'm just really excited and proud. So, I'm so chirpy. Yan, si Basti, yung umahawak ng camera, umingiti rin. Kasi kuya niya yun. Proud ka rin, di ba? Nakikita ko sa mata mo, proud ka rin eh. Yung ganun. Yung nagnanad. Proud ka rin, di ba? Ayan. So, marami. Tama nga si RJ. Tayo naman. The baby's coming soon.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you. Can I really quickly interview you with
yes,
how you do your... Why do you love
the Filipino accent?
Yeah.
Why not? It is one of the funnest accents in the world. It combines so many different languages. And if anyone who knows the Filipino knows that they're always the sweetest, always down to do anything, super sporty, and good food always. And that's like my entire life, minus the super sporty right now.
And why do you I noticed you love doing the Carl Salesman Pinoy.
Because my boy used to be a car reviewer back in the day. And so I used to go with him and film some of his stuff. So it just stuck with my head.
And that's how it started.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Always nice to meet you. Really. And drop by.
Yes, of course.
That's my friend Carlo. Hey, nice to meet you. He flew in from the Philippines for Seoul DXB.
Finally.
Yeah.
I'm excited, bro.
But still, yeah, I'm sure you get it a lot. I still have my favorites.
By the way, I have a video where I was in a podcast setting, and it's a whole joke video. I don't want to give away too much of it, but I basically say I'm employed at Kuya. And so I'm supposed to say I'm a videographer, but it turns out I'm actually just the guy cleaning in the back. So I'm gonna release it and tag you guys. It's just a little silly thing, like it's super stupid, but I just wanted to give you a heads up.
Wow, I'm getting goosebumps. Yeah, I always laugh by myself. Thank you. Good seeing you.
Welcome to Dubai. Enjoy,
What a nice guy, no? Grabe. Like, alam mo dito sa Dubai, parang it's malungkot kasi syempre malayo tayo sa motherland and malungkot, especially ngayon, holiday season. Pero yun, you meet people like that, parang good vibes lang. And dito, kahit na parang it's a cutthroat city, pero walang hilaan pababa. Kumbaga, tulakan pataas. Tingnan mo siya. Diba? I mean, wala, he just loves us daw. And every time we see each other, it's always like just good vibes. Ikaw, tumatago-tago ka dyan.
Nahuli niyo ako, Steph, ha?
Thirds, okay lang ba? Kwentuhan lang. Teka lang. Medyo na-invade natin si Thirdy. Buwelo ka muna. Hindi, kain ka muna. Nahiya ka tuloy ako. Mamaya na. Background lang. Thirds, kain ka lang dyan. Pero, background lang. Yun, di ba? Isang import rin to from the motherland na nandito. Na parang wherever he goes, parang, yun, napupuno yung arena, imagine. Napupuno yung Coca-Cola arena. Nakaka-proud yung ginagawa niya. Kasi, like what RJ said na tayo naman. Kung baga, tapos, imagine, he could have, okay na siya sa Tokyo eh. Pero pinili niya dito. Kasi, and, ayaw ko anong dahilan niya, pero happy tayo. Tayo na nandito sa Dubai. Parang, wow, talaga? Thanks, Third, ha? Thank you na nandito ka. Kasi, ngayon, sa basketball court, iba na yung tingin nila sa atin. Naramdam ko talaga first hand eh. Nung nag-basketball kami the other day, tapos pumasok siya, may arrive eh. May arrive na, wow, that's Thirdy Ravenna in the house. Really nice guy. Hindi ko sinasabi to na dahil malayo tayo. Really nice guy. Talagang like, nice guy talaga. Pasok tayo sa Defender. Medyo maganda, no? Okay.
Thank you for picking me up, Lips.
Oh yeah, sure. We're just gonna have a feel, because as they say, when you buy something or when you try on a shoe, you gotta
have a feel of it.
Yeah, you gotta wear it first, right?
Yeah. Okay, let me see now. We're connected.
This is the first time I am in a Land Rover. Oh my God.
Okay,
all right.
Keep your back here. You're gonna understand what I'm talking about.
I've never ever. Oh my God, there's a subwoofer in the chair.
Very immersive, huh?
This is $1 million, right? $1 million dirhams.
Is it?
Lesser than that.
Okay.
That's what I heard.
No, don't worry about that part.
Okay.
It's a demo, so there's some manufacturers in it. And there's some problems in it. Like for instance,
Sensory audio.
yeah.
This is a gasoline, right?
See now?
This is gasoline.
Actually, it's a hybrid.
It's a hybrid.
Oh, wow.
So this one I'm trying to show you.
Okay.
So if you want a calm atmosphere, you're gonna feel it on the chairs. You're gonna give it a calm atmosphere with the music. You wanna change it to something like Serene. Wait. You understand it? If you don't want music, do it that way.
What's your name?
My name is Zain. Your name?
JP Carlo.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to this podcast.
Yeah. Okay. So this is a hybrid.
Yeah.
And what's
You can change it.
is the color of this Land Rover?
The interior. Let's go with the color for the interior. Okay. It's burnt Sierra. That's the color of the interior inside. Okay. For the exterior from outside, we're having a bitter copper satin color with the moonlight in the sides.
Tama na. I told them, brother, let's stop the conversation. Kasi hindi na naman tayo makatulog nito. Hindi naman na kaya natin bilhin, no? Pero libre yung pangarap eh. So this is 800 dirhams abouts. It's when I asked him if it out in the market, he said it's out.
In stock.
There you go.
To that extent.
Oh man. Wow.
You gotta count all the exhausts. We have 4 of them down.
And they're real. They're real exhausts.
All real.
This car is not meant.
Okay.
That's job. Different job.
Oh my God, look at that.
Cream.
Oh, it's so Land Rover. The net. What's this? A speaker?
AC? I think AC.
Okay, dito naman tayo sa Adidas na... Hello.
Oh yeah!
Yo. Okay, so ayan. It's formal wear pero Adidas. And it's a coat with, check that out. And then, punta tayo sa dressing room nila. Wow. Hoy! Ano kaya ang orderin niya?